So firstly, you have to go to the insert tab, and then you have to go to the page, and you have to change its shape from here, and then you have to insert this shape, and you have to adjust it like this in a zigzag pattern by the mouse of your computer or laptop. So right now I have made the zigzag pattern of the line, and now I'm going to change its width and change its color. In the shape format, I'm going to give it a gradient. You can give it different gradient colors as well. So I'm giving it an orange, blue, and a black dot of gradient color. From the reflection option, you can also give the reflection to this shape, to this curved arrow as well. Arrow to this curved line as well. From the shape effects and in the presets, you can also give the other effect options, and I'm going to give it a arrow right here, and I'm also going to give it an animation option from this animation panel. You can try on different animations like I have done right here. From here you can extend more animation options. You can also increase or decrease the time of the animation. Thanks for watching. Also like the video and subscribe my channel as well.